Let's go.
So here we are, losers semis.
Yeah.
In doubles here at MISFIRE.
Yeah.
Got Fun China Dom. We got Noe3 Naga. So we're gonna see the double cloud.
Really?
Yeah. From Fun China and Dom, and we're gonna see the Marth Mega Man, the M cubed out of Noe3 and Naga.
Mega Man and Marth.
Yeah. So we'll see how this goes. I mean, everybody always talks about, Marth. I mean, not Marth. Double Cloud. Real scary, real big threat. We'll see how it goes. That we have some extra range with a Marth.
Agreed.
Against them, and a Mega Man. Got some projectiles.
Cloud is nasty in dubs though.
He really is. And then times two. Really
Cloud.
scary, but that Naga tipper on the F smash is gonna take him out into the tipper forward air.
Naga.
The spacing, it's almost like he plays the character. All right, so
he's playing dubs.
Here we go. I mean, hot start here for blue team.
Crispy start.
Really, really
spicy
crispy.
start.
Yes, indeed. So we'll see how this goes for the rest of the game here, but if it goes anywhere near this well for blue team, I think they've done their job. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So this little nair there, knocking Naga off. Is from Dom. And there goes Naga off the top, off a Fun China up air.
Yeah,
classic Cloud stuff. I mean,
dude, these, I'm telling you, two Clouds, it's already doubles, which is harder to commentate than singles. Two Clouds, and they're both like red.
Yeah, exactly. Sometimes it's just tough. Thank God they have nameplates.
Thank God. Oh, could you imagine if they were just player 1 and player 2?
Yeah, that would be awful.
That would be disgusting.
So Fun China gets thrown off stage. So did Dom. Fun China getting the back air over there on Noe3. Noe3 trying to recover.
Yeah, he's heavy. They don't call him Rockman for nothing.
That's true, man. He is. It's all that metal. So, wow. Dom almost accidentally spiked Fun China back to the stage. Oh, back air. Fun China loses the stock. Dom gets hit by another back air. This time he's thrown into it.
Double Cloud's not really looking like the move right now. Yeah. Naga and Noe3 are doing a great job of taking care of them.
No tech from Fun China. He's out of stocks. So it looks like he's not taking it, as Dom is probably going to lose it right here, and he did.
Yeah.
So, I mean, wow. I mean, ban Double Cloud? Why?
Ban Mega Man and Marth while you're at it.
Yeah, exactly. Because they made it look handily, I guess easy to handle. I know I'm saying handily.
Easy to handle?
Yeah.
They got handles?
They got handles. All the handles. Oh, wow. Try to go to the forward throw to the dare. It does not connect. So, I mean, Dom has limit. It's something.
Yeah, but that is something.
It's like a consolation prize, I guess. You know what I mean?
It's going to require a monumental breakdown.
Yeah, it really will.
By Naga and...
Yep.
Yeah, there we go. Ooh,
that's going to do it. All right, so...
Hits him with the Thundercats ho.
And Noe3 and Naga take game 1.
They sure do, Jim. I tell you, when you're losing stocks like that, you gotta keep your stocks. That's the key to playing this game well. You gotta keep your stocks. You gotta keep your percentage low. In this game, when your percentage is high, you're gonna be flying off that stage a lot farther than when your percentage is low. And obviously, the team that loses all of their stocks first is gonna lose 9 times out of 10, Jim.
9 times out of 10.
Yeah, we really gotta. If you're red team, you wanna keep those stocks. You know, you don't want to die.
Yes.
You want to stay alive so you can kill the other team. Pretty much. And look at the character select screen.
Yes.
We're sticking with Double Cloud, and he goes. We're gonna stay Cloud.
We're gonna stay Cloud.
We're gonna stay Cloud. They got some pride. They're gonna put their nose to the grindstone. They're gonna play Smash Mouth football. He's going Mario.
All right, so interesting choice. I mean, I feel like the Marth was doing work.
Oh, Bayo?
Okay, with the Bayo switch. All right.
All right.
I guess he probably figured the Bayo switch was coming, so he might as well go Mario just in preparation type of thing.
I think Marth does better.
Yeah.
Like a lot better.
Again, I think it might be a comfort thing again. You know what I mean? As we go to Kier game 2 on Town and City. Yeah, I mean, like sometimes, like matchup wise, a character does better, right? But maybe your matchup is different. You know what I mean? Maybe the way you play it versus this certain person or something. So I think it's something that people forget a lot. You know what I mean? Is that like matchup charts are all fine and dandy, but if you don't play the way the matchup is supposed to be played,
I think matchup charts assume you're at the top level of play.
Exactly.
A lot of times.
Yeah. which let's face it, we're really not.
No, very few of us are actually towards that upper echelon.
Exactly. Very, very few amount of people here. So, ooh, okay. Tries to go for the cross slash, doesn't connect, but does get follow-up, and Dom is going to lose that stock anyway. So, blue team again. Nice little hot start. Wow.
Oh, was that a bait?
It might have been.
Was that that was a
the
bait or an
cheekiest bait.
accident?
Oh,
wow,
and
he's
Naga
dead too.
climbs up and takes out his teammate.
Yeah, it be your own Nagas sometimes.
Yeah, it's something. So, Fun China sitting at a high percent gets thrown off stage. You know, you have Naga getting bayoed, for lack of a better term. Now it's Noe3's turn to take your ride. DI'd it well though.
Oh wow! All right.
Ping pong.
And he had enough time to take care of Cloud too.
Exactly. Oh wow! Gets him on the up tilt and bayo.
It's always fun seeing Syracuse players play doubles because I feel like, and I don't know this, but I feel like Dubs is a bigger thing in Syracuse than the other regions. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it kind of feels that way sometimes.
I always see those boys playing Dubs.
Yeah.
Like I always see Norm playing Dubs. I always see Tonberry playing Dubs.
Yeah. They're big fans, which is cool. So
they'll even do online Dubs, which is disgusting.
that is disgusting. Get that out of my face. I don't like hearing that. It's like I'm gonna vomit now. Anyway, so I think all of Dom's witch times have been on Fun China. Yeah, almost a stretcher.
Right, yeah. Naga.
But I feel like Fun Dom has not witch time somebody that is not his teammate. Is how it feels right now. So we'll see how if he can change that soon. I mean,
blue team both off stage.
Yeah. Noe3 recovers. So, the fair.
Fair. Huge fair. Yeah. Galactic fair.
And it's going to take that stock.
That's a mammoth fair right there.
Fun China taking the stock.
That was an enormous fair. A Titanic fair.
The biggest fair you've ever seen is that back air. Going to knock out Dom. He's going to have to take a stock right now. So we got both teams on last stock situation. We got both, got somebody who's pretty high up there in percent, I'd say. Fun China now at 84. So we'll see how this finishes out here. And forward throw. Noe3 at ledge, gets back up. As Naga is getting taken for a ride.
Naga getting hit by Noe3. Okay, they're both on the platform there.
Oh, this is not what we want to be against the Bayo. Oh, he kills his teammate.
Oh, Dom.
Ooh.
Dom, you don't know.
No, that's unfortunate.
Yeah, that could be the key
yeah,
here.
that could be it.
Dom can still do this, but it's gonna be a lot harder.
It's gonna hurt, right? Like now your hill has gotten taller, and that dare would have been brutal. Gets the throw, misses the back air just barely.
So I think maybe up air.
Maybe
just because of the angle.
Exactly. All right. Ooh, what did he get hit by? He kind of changed his angle, like drastically. Oh, okay. Back throw.
Oh,
and the up B doesn't get the kill yet, though. I thought the fair was coming. But the up smash is going to take it, and Noe3 and Naga go 2-0.
They're up a game.
Yeah, they're up a game.
Oh, no, that was it.
That's over. So,
oh, okay.
Yeah. So, Noe3 and Naga take it 2-0 over Fun China and Dom.
Up next, we're going to have Draxel and Joj versus Noe3 and Naga.
It's going to be a good one.